Good afternoon, folks from Dunallen, Florida on 30A. Today we started installing this, it's a paperback vinyl wallpaper, and we're having trouble with the edges showing white. So we've come up with this idea that we're going to color, maybe I can just hold it like this. We're gonna color the entire edges of this. You'll see how it darkens it up. Make sure it's flat. If we do it like this, it's got to be very flat. So we're coloring in all of the edges that are white, and I guess now they're going to be darker. Hope so.